Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're starting Chapter 1 of our Excel Mastery Series, Introduction to Excel and the Interface. If you're brand new to Excel or want a solid refresher, this video will get you fully oriented. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is Microsoft Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet application used to organize data, analyze information, and solve problems. From small businesses to data analysts, accountants, students, and even content creators, Excel is everywhere. If you work with numbers or data, Excel is your best friend. When you open Excel, you're not just opening one page. You're opening a workbook. A workbook can contain one or many worksheets. Think of it like a book made of multiple pages. You can add new sheets, rename them, delete them, or rearrange them to stay organized. Now let's take a quick tour of the Excel interface. At the top, you have the title bar showing your file name. Below it is the ribbon, the main control center organized into tabs like Home, Insert, Formulas, Data, and more. You also have the formula bar where every formula and value is displayed, and at the bottom, the status bar showing information like averages, counts, and your zoom level. Entering data into Excel is simple. Just click a cell and start typing. Excel recognizes text, numbers, dates, percentages, and even basic patterns. When you open Excel, you can choose a blank workbook or start with a template. To save your file, just press Ctrl+S or go to File, Save As. Excel supports different file types like XLSX for normal workbooks, XLSM for macro-enabled files, CSV for raw text data. If you're using Microsoft 365, autosave keeps your work updated in real time. At the bottom of your workbook, you'll see your sheet tabs. Right-click to rename, delete, or color code them. If you're working with multiple sheets, try grouping them. Just hold Shift, select your sheets, and now everything you do applies to all selected sheets. Super useful for formatting or creating similar layouts. You can add a new sheet by clicking the plus icon. Delete a sheet by right-clicking and choosing Delete. And you can reorganize your sheets simply by dragging them left or right. A well-organized workbook saves time and keeps your analysis clean. In Excel, columns are labeled with letters, and rows are labeled with numbers. Each cell has a unique address, like A1, C5, or G20. You can select entire rows or columns by clicking the headers. And double-clicking the edge of a column automatically adjusts the column width to fit your content. Selection is a big part of speed in Excel. Here are a few quick shortcuts. Ctrl+A selects the entire table. Shift+Arrow selects step-by-step ranges. Ctrl+Shift+Arrow selects to the end of your data. And you can click in a name box, type something like A1 column F20, and instantly select that area. To move data, just drag the border of a selection to your desired cell. To copy data, drag the border of a selection with the Control key pressed to your desired cell. And to repeat patterns like months, numbers, or text, use the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right of a cell drag. It's one of Excel's best time savers. If you make a mistake, don't panic. Ctrl+Z is your best friend. Ctrl+Y redoes in action. And if you're using Microsoft 365 or OneDrive, you can view previous versions of your workbook, recover older data, and restore any point in time. At the bottom right of Excel, you'll find the zoom slider. You can switch between normal view, page layout view, and page break preview. These views make it easier to manage print settings or get a better overview of your sheet. Before we jump in, here's why formatting is important. A well-formatted sheet helps you understand your data faster, spot trends quickly, and present information clearly. In Excel, design is not just about looks. It improves accuracy and communication. Let's start with the basics. On the Home tab in Excel, you'll find all the tools you need to format your text. To change the font, size, or color, simply select your cells, then choose the font style, font size, or text color from the toolbar. If you want to bold, italicize, or underline your text, just click the B, I, or U buttons. You can also rotate your text by selecting the orientation drop and picking your desired option. For alignment, use the Alignment group on the Home tab. Here, you can center, left align, right align, or wrap text so it fits neatly in each cell. All these tools help your data look clean, readable, and professional right away. Excel can display your numbers in many useful ways, such as currency, percentage, date, fraction, accounting, and scientific notation. To apply a number format, first select your cells, then go to the Home tab and open the number format dropdown. From there, choose the style you want. Picking the right number format makes your data easier to understand and helps you avoid mistakes when you start analyzing your results. Excel also gives you built-in cell styles that apply multiple formatting options at once, things like colors, borders, and fonts. To use them, select your cells, go to the Home tab, and open the Cell Styles gallery. You can choose styles for headings, totals, warnings, good or bad results, or even create your own custom styles. Excel also lets you change your workbook's overall look using themes. Go to the Page Layout tab and pick a theme to instantly update the color palette and fonts across all your sheets, helping you keep everything consistent and professional. Borders help you separate sections or highlight important data. To add them, select your cells, go to the Home tab, and open the Borders menu. Here, you can apply thin or thick borders, outside borders, inside borders, or remove borders completely. You can also use fills to add background colors to your cells. Just click the Fill Color button and choose the shade you want. Remember, use color sparingly. Too many colors can make your worksheet look cluttered and harder to read. The Format Painter is one of the fastest formatting tools in Excel. It lets you copy the formatting from one cell and apply it to another with a single click. To use it, select the cell that already has the formatting you want. Then click Format Painter on the Home tab and click the cell you want to format. If you want to apply the same style to multiple places, double-click the Format Painter. You can then click as many cells or ranges as you need. It's a simple tool, but it saves a lot of time, especially when you're cleaning up a large worksheet. Sometimes your data looks strange simply because your columns or rows aren't sized correctly. To fix this quickly, double-click the edge of a column or row header. Excel will automatically resize it to fit the content perfectly. If you want everything to look consistent, you can also set the column width or row height manually. Just right-click the column or row header, choose column width or row height, and enter the exact value you want. This helps keep your worksheet clean, neat, and easy to read. Try this quick exercise. Enter a small data set. Apply number formats. Add headings and style them. Use borders sparingly. Use Format Painter to copy your style. This will help you practice creating clean, professional spreadsheets. And that's it for this chapter of the Excel Mastery Series. See you in the next chapter.